You'd be very surprised of what's been happening around here.
Yeah.
There's people who have resulted into praying to ancestors. That's where the issue is.
And they stop there.
And it's like, mina ngikhonza Islam. And I'm like, but this is a person who lived like there is nothing superficial about them. The only difference is that they've crossed over to the other side, but they still answer to God.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Khumalo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So you guys, Khumalo was actually at David Mashabela's podcast. I think this interview has happened last year, if I'm not mistaken. You guys, she talked all things about her personal life, her spiritual journey, and a lot, you guys. And she talked about something which I found very interesting, you guys. She talked about, people worshipping amadlozi, you guys, people who have moved on into the other realm. And Khumalo is saying that, people should not even bother, worshipping amadlozi, because they were once human just like her. And once they cross over, it doesn't mean that, you can ask amadlozi isn't because amadlozi do not have a power to give us rather what we want. She says that, rather pray to God, because he is the only creator, of everything. He has the power to give, to take, and people should refrain from worshipping amadlozi, because they are just human, just like you and I. Them being on the other side does not mean that they have the power to give us things that we want. Rather, let's just kneel down and pray to God. Khumalo says, do not worship amadlozi, do not pray to amadlozi, you guys, which is something I found very profound, you guys, because God is God and he has the power, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one, and may God just continue blessing you all. Bye.
You'd be very surprised of what's been happening around here.
Yeah.
There's people who have resulted into praying to ancestors. That's where the issue is.
And they stop there.
And it's like, mina ngikhonza Islam. And I'm like, but this is a person who lived like